Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this scratcher over here that this brand sent to me for the video. They've been trying it already and they like it, not only because of this, because they can actually scratch it from inside, they can actually scratch it inside, kind of like slanted, and they can actually scratch it on the outside as well. So that's a really nice thing. She really likes it. We have 4 cats at home, so having a scratcher for us is really important. This is one of those that you can actually put where you have furniture because it's big. It is like, I want to say like 16 inches tall by 17 inches wide. So it's pretty big, but also the assembly process. There is almost no assembly process. Everything is explained right here and it's super easy. You kind of put the base and then you kind of like slide each one of this from the actual angle, and that's pretty much it. And the other good thing about this one, as you can see over here, it has kind of like rubber pads, so it won't move easily if that's the case. Once you have it in the floor or in a piece of furniture or something like that, it won't move. As you can see over here, I'm pushing it. So that's a really nice thing. They have the platform for them to scratch and protect your furniture. Of course, let's actually do a quick test. This is the first time that she's seeing this one. She's actually trying this one, but my other cats, Hawkeye and Tiger Shark, they tried it already and they like. But yeah, as you can see over here, she goes inside and then comes this other way over here. I think this is a good one, pretty big one, and of course they have the chance to actually scratch it on the outside, lie in their bellies down here and scratch the ceiling as well, kind of like the upper part, and of course scratching this part over here as well. Really good one with the rubber pads. It won't move. I'm actually pushing it, it won't move, super easy. So this is a good one for protecting your furniture and of course for them to play and enjoy that scratching they like to do so much to our furniture, but now they're gonna do it in this one. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.